Hello kiddos, a very good morning to everyone. In the previous video, we saw the first method of writing the number names of a decimal number. And in this video, we are going to see the second way of writing the number names. Fine. Now first, let us revise the place value chart of a number. Now you know that before the decimal point, that is to the to the left of the decimal point, you have ones, tens, hundred and thousand. And to the right of the decimal point you will have tenth, hundredth and thousand. That is, when you move to the right of the decimal point you will divide the number by 10. Now see, when you move from ones to tens and from tens to hundreds and hundreds to thousand, you multiply by 10. Okay, now when you move from the when you move to the right of the decimal point, you will divide by 10. See, 1/10 is there, so this is known as the 10th position or the 10th place value. And then when you divide it by 10, it will be 100th. Okay, so 10 is 1 is again divided by 10, so it becomes to be 100. Then again 1 divided by 100, that will be divided by 10. So it will be 1 divided by 1000. So it is the thousands place. Clear? So this is the place value chart of a number. Now let's begin the second way of writing the number. Fine. Let's take the example of one number. This is the base of the number. Okay, I want you to remember this picture. So this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place. Fine. Let's take a number that is 408.1. Okay, now let us start with the second way of writing the decimal number. Now before the decimal point, it is 408. That you are very much clear with. Okay, 408. Now for the decimal point, for the second way of writing the number name, you will write and. What you will write? And it is 1 here, so you will write 1. Fine. Now for the second way, you have to have the place value chart. 1 is placed in the which place? 1 is placed in the 10th place. Yes, after the decimal point it is the 10th place, so I will write here 10th. Clear? Now this number name is written as 408 and 1/10. In the second way, students, the place value will be very much important. Okay, the place value will tell you where the number is placed actually. Here see, it's 10th, so it will say that 1 is placed in the 10th place. Clear? Now the first way how you write this number, by the first method of writing the number name, it will be 408, and for the decimal you will write point and 1. Okay, now let's take the other number. It's 408.04. Okay, so 408 you know, then for the point you will write 8, and for 04 you will not write 04, you will write 4, and then you will write the place value of 4. What is the place value of 4? Yes, it is 100th. 10th nahi hai. What is the place value of 4 here? It's 100th. So I will write 100th here. Now observe the difference in the first and the second number name. Here it's 10th, so it's after one decimal point. Okay, here it's 100, so 4 is in the second place after the decimal point. Fine. If I would have written 4/10th, तो यही होता. This would be the same number. It would be 408.4 if it would be here 10th. Okay. Now let's take the first way of writing this number. The first method. What we have learned in the previous video, how you can write 408.04. This is what we have learned in the previous video. Okay. I hope it's clear. Let's take more example. The other number is 408.001. Now, if it would be the first method, what you will write? 400.001. That's the first way of writing. Now, how you will write in the second way? it will say 408, and for the point you will write and what's the number here? It's only 1, so I'll write 1. But the position of 1 will be determined by the place value. Is it in the hundredths place, or is it in the 10th place, 100th place, or 1000th place? It's in the 1000th place. Okay, so I'll write 1000th here. Clear? Now let's take the other example. Now for the first method, what you will write? You will write 2006.20. Now for the second method, what you will write? 2006, and for the point you will write and it is 20 here. Okay, you will write 20. Fine. And what's the place value of the last digit? It's 100. Yes, so 100. Clear? The trick for writing the number name by using the second method is the place value chart. Last number is placed in which place that you have to see. Else, so you know, it's 1, so you will write ones. It's 20, so you will write 20. And then last number ka jo place value hai, that you will write 100. Fine. Now let's take the other example. 571.872. That's the first way to write. Now the second way is 571. For the decimal you will write and what's the number? 872. Yes, it's 872. So you will write 872. Now 2 is in the which place? 2 is in the thousands place. So I will write 1000. Clear? Now I hope it's easy for you. Now let's take the other example. Yes, it's 0.57. So the first way to write is 0.57 and the second way to write is 57. Okay, after the decimal point it's 57 and 7 is in which place? It's in the 100th place. Yes, so 57/100th. You will write like that. Fine. Now let's take the last example. It's 2006.20. That's the first way to write. And for the second way, you will have 2006 and instead of the decimal, and then 20 is there, so 20 and the last digit, that is 0 here. This digit is placed in which place value? It's placed in the 100th place. So I will write 100. Okay. Let's take one more example. It's saying 9876.5. This is the first way. Now the second way you will write 9876 point की जगह पे and 5 की जगह पे 5 and 5 कौन सी place पे है? It's in the place value of 10th. So you will write 10th. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. Now the next concept we will see. By default, the decimal of any number is placed where? By default, matlab naturally. Koi bhi number, suppose take a number 65. Now, where is the decimal point here? Actually, can you see the decimal point? No. But if you cannot see the decimal point, by default or naturally, the decimal point is placed after 5. Okay, after the 5. That is next to the ones place, like this, 65.0. Now these both value is same. If I tell you any number, suppose I tell you 10, so it means I have told you 10.0. If I tell you 5, so it means that 5.0. These both numbers are same. The value of this both number is same. Clear? If I tell you 27, so 27 is equal to 27.0. By default, the decimal point is placed to the next to the units place. Okay, fine. Now 65, if divided by 10, if I am dividing 65 by 10, what it will be? It will be 65 by 10. It is represented this way or it is represented this way. Now what will happen is I can place the decimal point to the next to the right. Now see here what it means, you know, this 65, it is 65 here. Okay, and the decimal point by default is here. When I divide it by 10, what I will do is I will move to the left. Okay, I will move this decimal to the left. That is 5 ke baad I will move it here. Okay, so the decimal point will be here. So my answer for this, it will be 6.5. Are you getting? Yes. Again, I will repeat. Okay. For any number, the decimal point is to the next of the ones digit. That is here. For any number. See, if I take, let's take 76. Okay. The decimal point is where for 76? It will be here. Sorry. Let me tell, just a second, students. Wait a minute. Okay. So, yes. It will be the decimal point for any number will be the next to the number. So it will be here. For the 76, the decimal point is here. Okay. Now, when I divide this number by 10, okay, or when you perform division, the decimal point will shift to the left. That is 1, as it is the 1 0 here, it will shift one step. So my answer here would be what? 7.6 will be the answer here. Are you clear? This decimal point shifting I will be teaching in detail in the next video. Fine. Till then, take care and study well. Thank you.